Alright guys, after so many hours work, after work hours, we choose to go to fishing. And I told my son, my two sons actually, they have channels, Condor Builds and Rebuilder Max. So I told them, okay guys, let's go fishing, let's go relaxing a little bit. And let's go to Watts Barn Dam and catch some big striper. Let's see. Today is a beautiful day. Generator is running so good right now in the fishing day. It's a 9.5 from 10 schedule. So I hope we have a good day today. Let's go. Alright guys, we're driving right now to hit the river, and our channel, my channel, is gonna be about adventure, fishing, cooking, prepare meal and clean the fish, stuff like this. I don't want to do everything like my two sons have rebuilding cars and stuff. I definitely gonna help him, but my channel is gonna be something different. I'm gonna prepare food for them, make him good lunch and good dinner. So they work hard, they have to eat nice meal. So stay with me, and I'm gonna show you a lot of different recipes and a lot of different stuff. And we go some hiking, everywhere. Let's see. Ready? Let's go. Alright guys, safety first. Let's put some life jacket on it and let's go fishing. Fish waiting for us. Let's go have fun. First throw, first fish. Let's see what kind of fish. Oh, they take off.
They ripped off.
Oh man.
Let's go, we gotta go. Let's go, first one came off. Let's go. Hooked up. Feels kind of small, it's just swimming towards me. There's a little white bass. Go ahead, get him in here. Good eating right there. Nice. So guys, this one is a pretty good eating size, but we're not gonna keep this one. We're just gonna go ahead and let it go. See whenever he kicks. Go. There he goes. I don't know how this one feels yet. We're about to see on what we got here. It's kind of just swimming towards me. Maybe it's another little white bass. Or not. Well, it's a good little striper.
Hold on.
Look at that, right, it came off. Came right off. That's a good one right there. That's exactly what we need. Oh man, there's some blood.
Yep.
That's a nice one right there.
Very good eating size. Alright. We have another one. Small baby. Yep. Another yellow bass.
Yeah, release that one.
Oh, there it goes. Hey, released by itself.
That's a fast release right there.
Yeah, catch and release, fast release. Yes, sir.
Got a good one on here. Well, it seems good.
I got one too and ripped.
Man.
I don't know.
Check if we have any other line in there. Because look at
30
it.
pounds, 30 pounds line. Man, it's ripped like a...
I don't know what kind of
Like a
garbage that
champ.
is. This one feels good, but I don't know. I don't know if this is like a striper or what. Oh, it's something big. This might be a catfish. It's smoothly. Swimming really smoothly. Or a big old stripe just chilling. What is that? Cat, I snagged him.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna unhook him and throw him back. It's not even a big one. Might as well just live.
You got one on? Alright, I got another one.
It's been kind of slow today. Well, I only got a couple.
Baby.
Baby?
Baby dude.
What is
Put it inside. Look at this.
Striper?
Striper.
Alright, get him in.
Yeah, that's a good one right there.
Yeah.
That's a good size. We changed up the tactic a little bit and went with the fluke.
Yeah. Hold on a second. Another one good size. Look at this. Striper.
Striped bass right there.
Stripe bass. Go ahead. Put them on it.
Nice one right there. You guys are hooked up. Let's see what we got here. Feels like a pretty good one. Oh yeah, this is a good one right here. This is bigger than the other one.
I got it. I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
Look at oh, that's a good one.
Wow.
That's what we're after right there.
I have loose two of them like this.
Yeah, that is what we're
Look at
after
this.
right there.
Look at this.
Yes. That is what we are after. We changed to a fluke and it does good. Look at that size right there. That is a nice one.
Wow, look at this size.
That's a beautiful one right there. Yes, we got him. Hey, don't lose him now.
All right, guys, it's a wrap for today. We have 3 fish, and few of them got loose, so that's enough for today. So if you like our video, just please like and subscribe, and post notification and comments below if you like this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.